Hey everyone, welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna, and today we're diving into the world of Apple's gadget, the Apple AirTag. If you've ever misplaced your keys or felt that sinking feeling of losing your bag at the airport, this tiny device might just be your new best friend. We'll cover everything from what it is, how to set it up, and why it's a must-have for anyone prone to losing their stuff. Stick around and let's get started. So, what exactly is an Apple AirTag? Think of it like Apple's answer to tile trackers. The AirTag uses Apple's Find My network to help you locate your lost items with the power of the U1 ultra-wideband chip. This chip is found in many of Apple's devices, like the iPhone and Apple Watch, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's get you all set up with your AirTag. Apple's made it super simple. First, unbox your AirTag and pull out the plastic tab. Then just hold it near your iPhone. Your phone will recognize it and you just follow the on-screen instructions. Easy peasy. You'll get to name your AirTag. Pick from options like keys or backpack, or get creative with a custom name. After that, confirm to register it with your Apple ID and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. Our first impressions? The AirTag is sleek and minimal. Fits nicely on a keyring or in your purse. Once it's all set up, open the Find My app on your phone, and you'll see your AirTag's location right away. You can even play a sound, use precision finding, or put it in lost mode if it goes missing. Did you know there's a tiny speaker in there? It's like Apple thought of everything. Hey. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to For Real for more awesome content. And drop a comment below to tell us what you think about the AirTag or what you plan to attach it to. We love hearing from you. Now, if you're wondering how to attach your AirTag to your stuff, there are plenty of accessories out there. You can grab an Apple AirTag leather keyring or a Caseology vault to keep it safe and stylish. And for pricing, you're looking at $29 for one AirTag or a 4-pack for $99. Not too bad for some peace of mind, right? And that's everything you need to know about the Apple AirTag. Whether you're notorious for losing things or just want to try out Apple's latest tech, it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for hanging out with me today on For Real. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.